Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw someone reading a book. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now, to start off with our person reading a book, we're actually going to begin with the hands. So we want to make kind of like an oval circular shape over here and over here. So to do this, I'm going to begin by making just a simple oval shape like this. Then I'm going to leave some space and we'll make another oval shape over here. Now, right in the middle of these oval shapes, we need to draw the spine of the book. So to do this, we're going to make a line that comes down on each side in the middle. Then we just want to connect it. And we'll connect the top too. Now, starting here at this little corner, we're going to make a line that goes up with a curve. Then we're going to come down. We'll make another line that curves up here. And then we're going to come down. Next, we'll draw a line that comes out. And it's going to go up. And over here, we'll draw a line that comes out. Then we'll just draw a line up or down to connect it. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes up on each side. And I'm going to draw a line that comes down here. And then we'll just draw this line down to here. Now, starting here, I want to draw the person's face in the book. So I want it to look like they're really into it. So we're going to make a line that's just going to come down here. And another little line that's just going to come down here. And then we'll draw a little line across here. Now, you can make this person whatever you want, boy, girl, whatever. I'm just going to turn mine into a little girl. So I'm going to begin by drawing a line that just comes up. I'm going to add a little line that goes down and up, and another one that comes down and up. Then I'm going to draw a little line down. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and down. And then another line that's just going to come up and down. Starting here, I'm going to draw a circle for an eye. I'll leave some space, and then I'm going to draw another circle for another eye. I'm going to add a little black dot inside each one for a pupil. We'll add a little backward C shape for the nose. Then I'm going to draw a little line across for the mouth with another little smiley face. We'll make a little sad face for the tongue, and we can color this part in here. Now, starting here, I'm going to add a little half circle on each side. I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down, put a couple points on it, and then it's going to come back up for the hair. Do the same thing here. We're going to come down, a couple points on it, and then it's going to come right back up here for the hair. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes out, and another line that comes out here. I'm going to draw a line here, and a line here. Starting here, we're going to make an oval shape for the foot. And over here, we're going to make another oval shape for the foot. We're going to draw this line down to connect, and the same with this one. I'm going to draw a line that curves down on each side. And then we'll just make a couple of lines for the bottom of the shoe. Do that on both sides. And then finally, I'm going to add the eyebrows right there. And if you want to, you can always add some ears too. And one last thing I like to do is add a couple little lines for the pages of the book. And there you go. There is your drawing of someone reading a book. Now, you can draw this however you want to. If you wanted to, you could always go and add like a little title onto the book or a little picture over here, a cover, whatever you want. You can make it your picture. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.